What's up, guys? Okay, y'all. First and foremost, I would like to say thank you to all the kind comments y'all left on my update. What am I doing video when I was letting y'all know the struggle I have with doing DIY videos lately. I thank you for all your kind words. I really, really appreciate it. As you see, your girl is still struggling, but Friday by Friday, y'all. Friday by Friday. So anyway, today I wanted to talk to y'all about my um weight loss um weight loss routine. I wish weight loss journey. Okay. Now, it is a struggle as everything else is a struggle. All right. But anyway, recently, my son is my everything. Like, legit, my son is my everything. And he always encouraged me in all that I do. And for this weight loss thing, because he's really into fitness and all that good stuff, I don't know where he get it from, okay? He didn't get it from me. Or his dad. Or nobody else that I know. Okay. Anyway, so he's like, come on, mom. I want you to do this, that, and the fourth. I said, all right, I'll do it. So every week he asks, Mom, did you do it? Sometimes I say yes, sometimes like almost 2 weeks in a row, like, nah, dude, I'm not feeling it. It just was because instead of losing weight, I was freaking gaining weight. Like, yo, man, trick this. So he said, all right, then we're gonna exercise together. Okay, y'all, let me just tell y'all a little something. My child is 20, okay? He work out routinely, dang near almost every day, okay? So, of course, he going for what he know. His mom, on the other hand, he don't give a hot monkey, okay? But I can honestly say I'd rather work out with him than working out by myself because he do push me. So I'm going to insert like a little clip right now of our routine. What you said, 12? Mm-hmm. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. I know I made it look easy, didn't I? Your girl was doing it. Okay. But yeah. So it's a start, guys. And that's all we all can do is start somewhere. So when he go back to school, I don't know what the heck I want to do. Hopefully, I'll be more in a routine that I can continue on my own. So exercise, okay. Eating, yeah, eating is also somewhat of a struggle. I don't like eating salads and stuff. Not because I think they're nasty. I'm lazy, guys. I ain't finna prep no dang salad. I'm just gonna keep it real. So I'm trying to find alternative, healthy things that are easy to make, excuse me, and that I actually like and that I can be consistent with and realistically with, you know what I'm saying? Not just something to eat to just to be eaten. Nah, I need something that's gonna that I actually like. So as y'all saw in the previous video, like overnight oatmeal is one of my little go-to things. That's pretty much it. So I don't know. I might start doing meal preps. If I do, of course, I'll do a video over it, but that's not 100% whatever. But if y'all interested into following my little weight loss journey, I do have an Instagram that I post random pictures, videos, and other little stuff. It's called Shapely Fashions. I think that's the name of it. I'm gonna put it somewhere over here, maybe like right here. Right here, right here. And if y'all just interested in following it, my little journey, because I'm not gonna keep making videos about it. Now, if I do like a meal prep and stuff like that, then I'll come back on here. I might do an update video if I lose weight or whatever. My upcoming event that that I really want to like be tight and right for is my cousin's wedding, and it's in October. So I got a little time, but you already know that time will go by like that, like real quick. So that's I'll come back and do an update video in October to see if Kenya actually got her life right and her life together, and then I'll do like to show y'all my outfit and all that good stuff. So, this will be like a cliffhanger until October. That's gonna be my first check in with you guys. So October, I think that's pretty decent. That's a good time. And but if, like I said, if y'all want to follow the journey, period, all throughout, hook up that Instagram. Now I try to post at least weekly. I'm trying to be more consistent about it, but it kind of give you a good like a starting picture and little things. So I'm trying to be more consistent with it. So if you're interested in seeing this how it plays out and don't want to wait until October to see all this goodness, hey, go ahead and hook that up. So anyway, guys, I will see you next Friday. We don't know what the video gonna be about, but hey, at least you get to see my face. What? Deuces!